My vision for sobriety, a guided visualization. Welcome to this guided visualization with me, Gail, creator and founder of Sober Bliss. In this guided visualization, I am going to help you to create a vision for your sobriety. And perhaps more importantly, you are going to connect to the uplifting energy, that joy and happiness that living a sober life brings you. You are going to experience your dream, see it, feel it, and know that it is already yours. Visualization is not just allowing yourself to daydream. It is a practice that helps you focus on dreams, goals, or intentions, and then using this power, this energy, to help you physically manifest what you want. In your case, your amazing, wonderful, alcohol-free life. When we visualize what we want to achieve, then the messages get sent to our bodies to do the action. New neural pathways are formed, just like they would be by physically carrying out the action. This then encourages our bodies or ourselves to carry out the action just as we imagined it. Before we go into the visualization, take a moment to think about what you want from your new alcohol-free lifestyle. What do you want to do or experience, and how do you want to feel? Now, this can be anything from waking up sober and enjoying your morning coffee, feeling refreshed, free, happy and at peace. Or it can be your first alcohol-free holiday, feeling liberated and not consumed by thoughts of drinking, or feeling confident going out with friends, knowing you will have an amazing time and not drink. Whatever you choose is just perfect. And the beauty of this practice is that the more you do it, the more you connect to your dream, and you can use this again and again as you grow and your dreams and desires grow with you. In a moment, I'm going to help you to form a picture of yourself relaxed and happy, living your vision of sobriety, whatever that looks like for you, with no desire to drink and feeling good. But first, we're going to get really comfortable and relaxed, so please don't listen to this meditation while driving, operating machinery, or doing any activity that requires your attention and concentration. Find a comfortable place to sit down, lie down, and relax. Surrender to the experience and let your mind work its magic. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Release and focus your attention to your heart. Now breathe in to the count of 4. Hold for the count of 4. And release to the count of 4. Again, another breath in to the count of 4. Holding and releasing to the count of 4. One more time. A deep breath in for 4. Holding and releasing, all to the count of 4, to allow your body to calm and welcome the feelings of joy and happiness into your heart. Begin now, breathing deeply and easily, and with every out breath, release any tension from your body. Every time you breathe out, feel yourself relaxing deeper. Feel your muscles soften as you sink deeper and deeper into a blissful state of relaxation. Relaxation in, tension out. Let your bones feel heavy as all your doubts, worries, and concerns just melt away. Enjoy this special time just for you. There is nowhere to be or nothing to do. This is your special moment. And as you lie here, perfectly relaxed, perfectly at peace, your wonderful subconscious mind becomes open to new ideas, new beliefs, and positive images. You are going to use your wonderful mind and imagination to create a beautiful, powerful vision for your sobriety. And as you lie here, comfortable and relaxed, just listening to the sound of my voice, so calm, with a feeling of peace and tranquility, you are going to relax even more with each easy breath, with each gentle beat of your heart. This is a very nice feeling, a very comfortable place to be. And now, while you're resting in this way, with nothing to do except relax and listen to my words, I want you to imagine that it's a beautiful summer's day. I want you to imagine that you are floating on a cloud. It's so quiet and peaceful. And there you are, at ease with the world, just floating, drifting and dreaming as you float on and on and on and on. Now you are feeling comfortable, so much at ease and completely relaxed. And it's such a lovely, pleasant feeling, such a soothing feeling, a feeling as though you just want to drift far, far away into a deep, sound, heavenly sleep. You're so much at ease, and every muscle and nerve in your entire body is completely relaxed and at ease. And you feel so pleasantly heavy, so completely relaxed, that you just want to continue in this way, floating, drifting, and going into a deeper, deeper relaxation. Every part of your body feels so heavy and comfortable, so easy. I wonder now if you can just let yourself sink and drift deeper, further into relaxation. And now I'm going to count down from 3 to 1. And when we get to 1, I want you to have drifted into a much, much deeper relaxation than the one you are in right now. 3, and your entire body is completely relaxed. Every muscle and every nerve is completely relaxed and at ease, and your whole body feels heavy, relaxed. 2, your head feels so sleepy and heavy. Such a wonderful feeling. You feel so heavy and tired, and you keep falling further and deeper into relaxation, and your thoughts are vanishing. All you can do is think of relaxation, deep, sound relaxation. 1. Now you are in a deep, sound relaxation, and you continue to drift deeper and further, so that every word I say will put you into a deeper and sounder sleep, and all you will hear is my voice. You can hear no other sounds. All the other sounds that surround us, background noises, traffic noises, all of these other sounds are insignificant, unimportant. You become oblivious to all of these, because all that is important is the sound of my voice. Now that you are so deeply relaxed and calm and peaceful, I want to invite you to picture a perfect scene, your perfect experience that comes with living sober. What do you want? How do you want to feel? And as you lie here now, perfectly calm, perfectly relaxed, I'd like you to create a picture in your mind. Put yourself in the scene and imagine yourself enjoying your evening, your holiday, your morning, your entire day, or whatever image you have in mind. You are there. You are experiencing it. This is your wonderful, beautiful life of sober joy, abundance, peace, and happiness. Allow the images to come to you and make them bigger and brighter. Where are you? What are you doing? Who are you with? What are you wearing? What can you see, hear, and taste? What can you smell? What can you touch? And how are you feeling? Open your senses. Notice everything. Notice the sounds, the colors, the smells, the tastes, and the feelings. Go into as much detail as you can here. Allow the images to drift and float, to get bigger and brighter. Allow the feelings of happiness, joy, and excitement to wash over you. You are living your dream, and it feels so good. I'm going to go quiet now for a few moments while you continue with this movie in your mind. Really connect to the emotions that come with the image. See yourself having the most wonderful time, doing all the things you want to do with no alcohol. Connect to the feelings of happiness, freedom, and peace. You have just seen yourself having the most perfect time, being alcohol free and feeling good. An amazing, wonderful thing has happened and is happening to you. Experience this feeling of calmness now, this feeling of joy and of love. You have just created your ideal future, a brilliant, powerful image that you can connect to whenever you want. Enjoy it, feel it, and connect to it often. In a moment or two, I am going to count from 1 back up to 5, and at the count of 5, you will be fully alert, refreshed, and awake. You will have wonderful feelings flowing through your body and wonderful calm and peaceful thoughts flowing through your mind. You are strong, you are amazing, and you are exactly where you need to be. Here we go. 1. Feeling wonderful now. 2. You might want to wiggle your toes as you feel more and more awake. 3. Your whole body is awake now, feeling lively and marvelous. 4. Right at the top now, feeling awake, your whole body is alive and awake. And 5. Eyes open, wide awake, feeling totally, wonderfully, fresh, awake, and really, really good.